Can I what? Pinch you?
But not too hard.
Okay. It's real. It's real.
You may not get all the items and services that you pick up in the public school. Another thing is that you must have
Moors until the start every night at 6 at the Brunson Club Sun-Dry Shop. Cool. We made it to the Airbnb. Woo!
This is it, huh?
We made it to the Airbnb. We gotta get through.
Look like this may be nice.
Yeah, we gotta go through. It's a gated community. Let's just open the gate for them.
Wow, well, I guess I'm turning right. I guess the GPS don't really know this place too well.
Right. That's weird.
Turn right onto Prologue Way, then turn left onto Protagonist Street.
Protagonist Street.
Turn left onto Protagonist Street.
What did they name this after a comic book?
20.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the left.
We got a long way.
It's gonna be on the left. Oh, okay, 29 to
I heard
You're right.
that
It's a little wide.
But this is
Oh,
pretty
this
cool.
is,
They
this
got
is nice.
it's like apartments.
Oh yeah, this is
Is that an ice cream truck?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay.
I ain't
This-
seen them in a minute.
We all scream for ice cream.
Yeah, this looks like this is a nice way to stay at Disney. Right? Come here, especially for a big family, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Stay in one of these joints.
We did it. We made it. It's very pretty.
This is not your house, Daddy.
This is where
Yeah,
we
this
stand. Walking in, the first thing I see is this garbage. But let's see how it really is. And the truth. All the lights.
My head's in the way.
This is one room. Okay. That's nice. This is nice.
Could be spiders.
See, this is second room. Or a bathroom. Okay. Smell like they cleaned it. Oh, got the little sanitized thing. Okay, okay. I got a little thing. Okay, okay. Couple of towels. Okay, welcome book. Should we stay down here or go upstairs? Go upstairs since nobody's up there. And then we'll finish downstairs. Okay. Lifesavers. Woo. This is the, I wish they had it looking pretty. Let's look at it look pretty for the kids. This is the Mickey and Minnie bathroom. Oh, this is so cute. Mickey bedroom. So cute. Aw. Okay. Nice. It's pretty cool in here. Okay. This is nice. And then have a bathroom, stand-up shower in here. Nice. Very nice. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. I love this mirror.
Let's go upstairs.
Very nice. Very nice. Oh, I don't want that. Why not?
Because
Very nice.
afford this.
We can't afford it. Ooh, this is me. Me and Moody's dad closet. Look at this. Shower. Nice. And our tub. Ooh. Very nice. Toilet. Very, very nice. Very nice. princesses. Pretty. Oh, where are all the people? Let's turn the light. Oh, that's so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I gotta touch it. I gotta touch it. This is so beautiful. Oh, wow. What is this? How they do that? That's crazy. Very nice. You see our bedroom, but
Ours?
yeah, ours is the bomb.
Okay, I'm finna see. I like this one. You boys can sleep.
This
in
is
different
nice.
rooms every day.
This is nice.
This Harry Potter one, I like this one.
What'd you say, Matt?
I said they can sleep in different bedrooms every day.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, they can switch it up.
Very nice. Very nice. Harry Potter. This is very nice. Look at this. And this is just the first Airbnb. We got 2. But this is very nice. AJ, I'm recording right now. A video. Say hi. AJ, say hi. Say hey. Hi. Good job, baby. Okay. So we'll see what room they sleep in today. He's closing me in. Stop, AJ. We're not doing that, AJ. Do not be going around closing people's doors. You're not doing that.
Okay, you can use it.
Anything in here? Some towels. Okay. Calm down, calm down. Let me finish going downstairs because I didn't finish. Because I was down there.
Wow.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay.
This is definitely a dream.
This is a dream. Oh, I'm glad. We got to make it a dream for you guys.
This is a dream.
Okay, this is the kitchen, y'all. We're cooking this trip because Disney is expensive, as you all know. But look at this. Very nice. This is our starter stuff. They give you starter stuff. That's it. That's it. Look at our table. Woo, there's a lot of people could fit here at this table. And our living room. Very nice.
Look at the toys. The toys.
And this is a work desk, but nobody's working on this trip. What's in there?
Look.
Another pantry. Very clean.
Look.
Hold on. This is the washer and dryer room. Nice. It smells good in here. Ooh. This is a playroom. It's supposed to be a garage, but got the little bar. Play foosball, ping pong. Wait until somebody come here.
Can you pinch me?
Can I what? Pinch you?
But not too hard.
Okay. It's real. It's real. You're so funny.
No. You have to hurt.
Okay. It's real. Okay. So, yeah.
How is this possible?
This is,
Look.
we got more? Oh, okay. This is cool little storage area. Come on, Daniel. Come back, though. This is storage area. Daniel, come back.
We're taking this to our secret room behind it.
Yes. Storage area.
Yeah, do you see the ping pong table?
In there? Yeah.
Yeah, in the garage.
Daniel said, can I pinch him, babe? I pinched him.
Yeah.
He said, do it a little harder. He said, this is not real. He said, this is a dream.
That's good.
This is your dream.
Yeah, it's nice, huh? It's nice.
He's excited.
He's very excited. Hey, man. Good job, baby. You
Mhm.
did good.
And this is only the first Airbnb we got. So, yeah. We did it, but
We did it.
we ain't even finished the tour, though.
We didn't even do what?
Finish the tour.
Oh.
How do we move this back?
Well, let's see. Let me do it.
Oh, okay, thanks, man.
Hold on. I don't want to mess them up like ours, right? They're already a little messed up.
There we go. Okay. So then, wait, how do I,
Yeah. We should be hanging out in here a lot, huh?
how do I do it?
Oh. Oh yeah, wait, what does it say? Does it say something? Okay. Lock
Oh, there.
off.
We
And
can't
then
figure
you gotta
out.
pull that Oh, you push down.
Oh, okay.
That's a little
Now, yeah. Whoa.
different. Watch your step.
Ooh, this is nice.
Did you feel the full tip like you said you needed to do?
No, I did not yet.
Okay.
Oh, look at this. Very nice. They got instructions for us. Very beautiful. A little pool that's supposed to be on in a little jacuzzi area. So hopefully it's nice. Oh. Do you see this? By yourself?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay. Are you sure?
It's either me or Nan.
I hope you enjoyed this video of the Airbnb. Thanks for watching. Come along. We got more content for you. Subscribe and like and comment. See you later. Thanks for watching. Go watch some more of our videos and have a great day. Bye-bye.